Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Animal Company stash mods. These modifications significantly improve your in-game storage and inventory management, offering more space and better organization. Before we begin, make sure your Animal Company game is completely installed and up to date. For a smooth process, we will be using a dedicated mod manager, which simplifies adding and managing your new content. Next, let's find the mods. Head over to popular modding communities, such as Nexus Mods, which hosts a vast collection for many games, including Animal Company. Use the search bar to look for stash or inventory mods to find relevant options. Once you've chosen your desired mod, download the file, usually a compressed archive like a zip or RAR, and save it somewhere easily accessible on your computer. Now, it's time to install. Launch your preferred mod manager, like Vortex or Mod Organizer 2. Most managers have an option to add mod from file or install from archive. Select this, then navigate to where you saved your downloaded mod file and import it. After the mod appears in your managers list, ensure you activate it. This step tells the manager to properly integrate the new files into your Animal Company game directory. Finally, let's verify your installation. Start Animal Company and load your save game. Navigate to your in-game stash or inventory to confirm that the new modifications, such as expanded slots or new organizational features, are working as expected. If you encounter any problems, first double-check your installation steps. You can also visit the mod's download page for specific instructions or troubleshooting tips, or consult your mod manager's support resources for common solutions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.